इटली में लिफ्ट्स वगैरह से ज़्यादा उम्मीद मत करना, हो भी सकता है ना भी हो, बट ये एक चीज़ है जहाँ से आप स्टॉलर निकालते हो, क्योंकि नॉर्मल काउंटर से स्टॉलर तो नहीं निकलता। और यहाँ टिकट लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप सीधा कार्ड स्वाइप करो, एक कार्ड एक पर्सन यूज़ कर सकता है। एंट्री और एग्ज़िट पे हम लोग यहाँ पर ऐसे करके स्टॉलर लेके आ सकते हैं। सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट वर्क्स हियर इन मिलान और इटली एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द मेट्रो स्टेशंस। ब्यूटीफुल लाइक दिस। अच्छा है, इट्स रियली नाइस टू रीच हियर बाय मेट्रो, वेरी चीप। द बेस्ट पार्ट इज you don't have to take any tickets directly, because if you have one card each person, a credit card, it will automatically get detected, all the amount will get deducted, and it's very reasonable. It cost me from my hotel to here almost 3.5 kilometers, €2, almost 9 zlotys as per the message I received from the bank. So we are starting our journey today, not only to Milan but to Bernina and to Switzerland, almost a 9-day trip, and I will share the itinerary, which is really the budget itinerary. We booked on a very short notice, so if you book that in advance, it will be more cheaper than what I am thinking right now, or what I am paying right now, because we just booked 2 days back, almost everything. So everything is possible. Now let's take a closer view of this place. This is the lower segment of the Hoppenau bus with AC, so definitely summer is also not a bad time to go for these places. And because there is wind keep on blowing, so that's why it doesn't feel so tough during the summer as well. Of course, when the bus starts moving, the upper side is more and more. Hi Jishu, how are you feeling? You like it? Yeah. And Jishu, Jyoti?
I'm feeling so
Dhruv, what are you doing?
listening.
This park is opened in 1783. It's a very old public park, and Okay, the temperature is around 35, I think, and still hot, but with hop and off, it's manageable. And this is Milano Central railway station, probably one of the most oldest stations here. And the point from where you can take transportation for the Lake Como, which is our next destination. And this is the metro you see in the front, which you can use. Very convenient. Only challenges with the stroller.
Sorry, sir, you need to sit down for security.
Okay, sure. So now we got down at this station for this up and off called Cadorna. From here we have M1 and M2s, and as per the lady, we are supposed to take a direct train to Lake Como from here, which should take around 40 to 45 minutes. So let's see how is the experience on this. And this place is very famous for the biggest cycle network here, like you can see Ride Movie. As per the commentator guide, this is the place which starts the biggest cycle network in Italy. You can cover 3 zones in this hop and off buses. So when we come back from Lake Como, we'll cover remaining portions of the city.
Hello guys, so we are in the station like Milano Cadorna.
Milano Cadorna is the station name, from where we are going to take train, high-speed train for Lake Como, almost 50 kilometers.
So from here we are going to the directly Lake Como, and we have we bought the ticket from here, and we can return from the same ticket, and also we can stay there for.
So these are the metro ticket, train ticket for each family member. Children stays free, and we can return back with the same ticket. And this you see with the QR code is the boat which runs every 30 minutes. So let's see how the ride is going to be.
It's like 10.
No.
हेलो, हम हैं मिलानो कडोना स्टेशन पर, और यहाँ से हमने टिकट ली है यहाँ से जाने की और वापस आने की. वी हैव बोथ टिकट एज वेल. सी यू कैन सी बोथ टिकट, ट्रेन टिकट, एंड जीशा हमारी फ्री है इस वाले मोस्टली जगह फ्री है.
इनफैक्ट रायनर वालों ने भी हमें काफ़ी अच्छा रिलैक्सेशन दिया, बट ये ध्रुव के हमें चार्जेस लगे फिर भी.
ट्रेन इज स्ट्रॉलर फ्रेंडली. Stroller friendly, so you can come with the stroller, so there is no problem at all.
ट्रेन भी बहुत अमेजिंग लग रही है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल ट्रेन है. Okay friends, so this is the train station for Lake Como. Almost it took around 1 hour from this train, and we also have return ticket from here. I really find this very convenient, especially because we had stroller, so we didn't require to have these
We are in the Luca city.
what?
We are in the Luca city. If you guys have watched the movie Luca, you can
like relate the city. It almost looks like the same.
Okay, so let's see how does the Lucca city looks like. But really, the vibes are completely beautiful and amazing. I don't know. Let me check if we have to punch the card or not. So ठीक है, punch नहीं करना है. We have when we'll return from the same place and before boarding this train we'll punch the card here. ठीक है. मिलानो में तो पूरा सिक्योरिटी के बाद ही खुलता है डोर, बट यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं था. एंड हियर no, really it's worth. I mean, I feel that I should have stayed here for one day at least, because the ticket that we have got is also covering the boats ride or cruises, or they call it. So nice. Temperature outside is around 35 degrees. But really, when you are a travel enthusiast, you really don't bother about temperature, rain, cold. It's all about you want to go, and you will go, and you will do whatever is possible. That's all. Almost time right now is around 3 p.m. That means we will have 2-3 hours to explore this part, Lake Como. The lady at the ticket counter said that it's not so big that you should take ticket only for the train, but you should also take ticket for the boats, which is available every 30 minutes. So as per the ticket girl, she said Lake Como is not so big that you will spend a whole day there. So why don't you take ticket for the boat ride as well, which will take you to 3 to 4 places. I will tell you later. Probably you can check in the description. And it was not very expensive also, because for return ticket from here to Milan and Milan to here, if I remember correctly, it cost around 19 euros per head. Children's, I think Jisha is free, 2 years, 2.5 years. For Dhruv, I think it was half ticket. But I will check the details later in the description of the video. But definitely it was a good idea to stay in Milano, because we are preparing for a trip to Switzerland by a Bernina train tomorrow. So it will be more easier to go from Milan than from here. And that's why we decided to stay there. Yeah, public water is available. Just fill the bottles here. Got to know from tourist guide, which is right here after the railway station. Like you can see the crowd filling the free water in the bottle because it's summer. It's really hot, but I must say, because of the heavy wind, you don't feel much heated. Of course, if you are in the sun, there is problem. So ticket we took, I think we'll encash the ticket from here for the boat, and from here there will be big rides of the boat that we're going to take. This is the route of the boat. Oh my god, the queue looks really very long. But it looks like since we already have ticket, we don't have to go to this queue, because possibly we'll show here and then take the boat from here. Now we are taking this boat. good place. Should be in budget to stay. Restaurant with the view. So now we're going back to home. How do you feel, guys? Do you find Lake Como as beautiful as we thought in the videos?
It was really worth it. I mean, so beautiful. And also, guys, if you have watched the Luca movie from Disney, you can connect the feeling. You can connect the scenery over here. It was really beautiful. Seriously.
Good. Take care. Jishu. Bye.